There is a responsibility called integrity. There is an ideology called harmony. There is a philosophy called innovation. There is a motivation called development. We are the manifest destiny pioneers, adopted hard work and wisdom to build a glory era. They are the passionate creators in the field of surface treatment equipment. Now, they are taking a solid step and chasing their ideals step by step. I believe that in the near future, the world will be shocked by the name of Zhuoding. Launched in the East, blooming all over the world, Zhuoding has launched in 2013, set the headquarters in Hong Kong. The production plants are located in Donguan Guangdong province. Zhuoding Group is a modern enterprise with comprehensive competitiveness. It is specialized in the design, development, manufacture, installation, commissioning, and after-sales service of surface treatment equipment and coating equipment. And the products have covered the automotive industry coating system, motorcycle painting system, bicycle tricycle painting system, home appliance painting system, IT coating system, agricultural machinery heavy industry mechanical coating system, construction industry coating system, non-stick paint coating system, electrostatic coating system, dust-free coating system, electrophoresis, oxidation, electroplating coating system, waste gas wastewater treatment system, etc. With the tremendous strength and fruitful for the modern management, our market share has steady in growth and with good reputation for the brand. Nowadays, we have set our production bases and sales outlets in Donguan Guangdong province, Changsha, Hunan province, Hong Kong, Chongqing and other provinces and cities, and the overseas country as Vietnam, India, etc. The mission of Zhuoding is to bring products and services to the world. And the people in Zhuoding are realizing this task with practical and honest. The glorious journey, fruitful in several years. After years of development, the people in Zhuoding has dedicated 100% of their passion and hard work, which has exchanged the fruitful achievements. Along the way, Zhuoding's people have never stopped the ambition of moving forward. The enterprising and struggling is a vision of Zhuoding. This spirit has created Zhuoding's success in today and will surely achieve Zhuoding's glory in the future. Be diligent in thinking and doing things with your heart. Be diligent in thinking, harmony, innovation, and development are the crystallization of Zhuoding's experience and wisdom. With the rapid development of the company, Zhuoding's people constantly introspection and improve the management. Inputted ISO 9001 quality management system. Sustainable improved the operation plan. Inputted the advanced technology and skills. Invested in the key technology research and development. Continues innovated the new product. And all-round talent training actively has built an excellent working and studying environment. The customer success is our accomplishment. The slogan of comprehensive enhanced service concept has continued to create excellent service for our customers and provide with high-quality products. For this reason, Zhuoding has ability to face the stormy market competition and ride the wind and waves. Conquer the world with integrity and create a blueprint together. Honesty is the first-ranked spirit of enterprise. Over the years, Zhuoding has consistently adhered to the corporate style of rely on, keep the promise, guarantee quality and benefits, which has achieved the trust and praise of customers with professional design, production, efficient work, excellent product quality, and perfect pre-sales and after-sales service. The products of Zhuoding have been successfully expanded to China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Europe, North America, South America, and other regions, and the annual output value has rapidly increased in each year. With years of growth, has trained Zhuoding people's tolerance and deliberately, with the vision of high quality, excellent service, and continuous innovation. Zhuoding will continue to advance towards the goal of leading the industry with more powerful strength and faultless performance. There's no end in the journey, and the steps will never stop. Zhuoding will always keep moving.